Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Lotto Max ticket. To play, you select 7 numbers from a pool of 1 to 50. Each $5 play automatically gives you 2 additional sets of numbers, increasing your chances. Drawings for Lotto Max happen twice every week, offering frequent opportunities to win big. It's a straightforward process designed for everyone to enjoy. Once you have your ticket, it's important to understand what you're looking at. Your ticket clearly displays your chosen 7 numbers, along with the 2 extra sets generated for you. Always double-check the specific draw date and time printed on your ticket to ensure you're checking the correct results. Make sure your ticket is in good condition and note its unique serial number. Checking if you've won is an exciting part of the process. You can easily compare your ticket numbers against the official winning numbers, which are available online, at any lottery retailer, or through the official lottery application. Prizes vary greatly, from a free play for matching just 3 numbers on one line, all the way up to multi-million-dollar jackpots. Good luck! Claiming your prize depends on the amount you've won. For smaller prizes, typically under $1,000, you can claim them directly at any authorized lottery retailer. If your winnings are between $1,000 and $25,000, you'll need to visit a larger lottery office. For the biggest jackpots, contact the lottery corporation directly. Always sign the back of your ticket immediately after purchase for security.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.